for one of the most interesting days of the year. We got our credit downgraded yesterday by Fitch, citing a wide variety of things as to why the U.S. is slightly less credit worthiness than it was previously. So markets are not having that right now. They are not having any fun. Now, I want everybody right now, once you guys can hear me, hold on, everybody. All right, guys. So everybody, again, make sure that you guys are slapping the like on the way in. This is an incredibly important day. Like very, very, very important. Hold on. I want to make sure everybody's off an ad or any nonsense that we're coming in here. I want to see everybody start saying hi, all that stuff, because we have some very important things to say about this that you guys need to understand in order to go into today's market the rest of the week and honestly the next couple of weeks here in order to have success. So, team, this is going to get interesting, bro. Like, I think the last time that this happened was like 2011. They've threatened downgrading before. That's why I was like, like last night I was like, I don't know. Because it was the difference between them threatening downgrading and them actually fucking doing it. So this is, they also cited like J6. Like, come on, bro. Like, what are they doing? Like, that's why the United States is less creditworthy. All right, but here's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to run into Market Talk. Tell everybody to get their asses in here because we have some important things to say before we get going here. Because this is something that none of you guys have seen. I haven't been in the market for really one of these. So we'll see what ends up happening. It was like, what, 2011? I was 12. Another W for the Biden administration? Oh, God. They're citing things before. I don't know, man. We can take a look at some of the headlines and stuff and break it down and things like that. ADP, keep in mind, 2 meetings ago, they recalculated how they report that data. Yeah, interesting. Also, the other thing that we got to look at here, too, I tweeted this out earlier. We can refresh this page and go back to December, but there's still, now it's 64% probability that no more rate hikes are happening this year. So there's really, really competing things right now. So again, go grab the people in Market Talk. I don't want anybody to be doing anything stupid today, thinking that this is going to be like fun day. This is now, with what's happened last night, this is now like a Powell day. If anybody, like, this is now, in my mind, you treat it as a Powell day. Credit downgraded the next day, buy our bonds. Yeah. You're still playing with Power Ranger action figures in 2011? Yeah. So here's what we're looking at. There's going to be a lot of volatility today as large institutional money position themselves going forward. Let's actually take a look at some of the details here of exactly what's going on. So U.S. credit. Let's see. These are live updates from CNN. Don't care. Reuters. Here we go. Ratings agency Fitch on Tuesday downgraded the U.S. Government's top credit rating, a move that drew an angry response from the White House and surprised investors, coming despite the resolution of the debt ceiling crisis 2 months ago. Traders' immediate response was to embark on a safe haven push out of stocks into government bonds and the dollar. Okay, what does that mean? Rotation. If you go out of equities into bonds, what happens? It bids up bonds, pushes yields down, which honestly should move TLT up, but it's not. TLT is tanking here, so this is kind of moving a little bit wonky. This is what you guys need to look at because, again, if people are going out of equities into bonds, they actually probably went into more cash, if we're being honest. But look, the 10-year's screaming, so they're not buying bonds. So TLT, well, not necessarily, because look, the 10-year yield is ripping. So no, this would have to come down in order for TLT to go up. So they're really flying to cash, safety, and waiting for the dust to settle. That's what's happening today. They added bonds, though, diluted. Fair, but like you would still see like the effect of this. Like if they flew in, you would see the yields come down, which they didn't necessarily do. And you can also see it reflected in TLT. Like TLT's knifing here. So right now, what they're doing mostly is flying to safety. They're just like, all right, nope. They're like, all right, let's see what happens, which is what I think I'm going to do. When you look at all of these different things, the dollar, bonds, and equities right now, you're seeing everything freak the fuck out. So the best practice is going to be to wait, just like we said yesterday before the data comes out, before you guys absolutely blasted those puts to the downside. It's a waiting game to see where the dust is going to settle. Now, the key point in order for me to really say that this market is about to sell, close below 450 on the SPY. Remember what we've been saying about the market? It's like, well, it's still not below 450. We're still teetering around. We're chopping around in this zone here. You can kind of take a look at this on the 4-hour. It's a little aggressive, but you've just kind of been chopping between like 451 and 457. Like you've just been chopping in here. So we'll see what happens. If they get that clean break, it's going to be interesting to the downside here. Looks like AMD was a cuck. Yeah, I mean, not really. This is just like AMD reported decent earnings. There were some things in AMD's earnings that some people may not have liked. So you saw a little bit of volatility here. And then the credit rating nonsense happened and boom, it just came back down. Still green in the pre-market, but yeah, it is cucking. Just in terms of price and what they were pricing in on earnings. So Nancy's down 1.63, AMD's up. AMD might be one of like the only stocks in the market that's fucking green right now, like an actual stock, not like an inverse ETF. But let's see, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Help get some more people in here. Again, this is one of the most important days of the year. What else do we have for data today? Nah, ADP was it. You still have eyes on Len on the 4-hour. I'm going to guess that it's breaking below the range. That's my guess on it. So that's going to invalidate anything that I was looking at. Where's the range? It was on the daily, wasn't it? Yeah. So this is like the line of last defense. So it's the 24 and then here 120, basically 125 on Len. What were the other ones? Also, very interesting move last night on Bitcoin off of that credit rating nonsense. What time was it? It was here. It was right. That's the daily chart. Hold on. I don't give a shit about the daily chart. It was here. So the credit rating nonsense was happening in the after hours here. Look at how about a Bitcoin. Boom. So what am I going to be watching today? Mara. Mara's down a little, but if you start to see flight into crypto and they're like, fuck the U.S. equities, let's go with the Moon Boys. Well, I mean, maybe we'll see a little bit of a leading or a rotation in those. But we'll see. We'll see. This is like a really big wait and see day, guys. This is not like let's go willy-nilly do a bunch of nonsense. This is like all right, take a step back, see what's going to happen, and then go from there. Yeah, let's have a good day, man. Let's have a good day. 2 likes away from 50 already. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. And remember, for all of you guys sitting on the sidelines, everybody gets their first month free to trade1348.com to get the absolute best education coming into the market every single day. I don't know what you're doing, not in there with us yet. It's free for your first month. The QR code's on the screen. The link's at the top of the live chat. Use code GAINS, GAINZ. And for those of you guys that still haven't hopped into Masterclass yet, make sure you guys are hopping in there. We have our midweek Masterclass today. I'm going to reach out to some of you guys here. We're either going to do a one-on-one or I'm going to go over the thigh gap stuff with you guys. And that's going to be it'll be a quick thigh gap one if we do that. But that is definitely something that you need to have in your toolbox. It's nasty, especially I see a lot of you guys trading futures now. This is definitely something that you want, especially with ES. Is there an effect of the Fitch rating? Yeah, dude, this fucking knife in the pre-market. Yeah, I mean, you can roll back to stream. We went over it a little. I mean, we can go back to the article. We really just talked about the rotation. Fitch downgraded the United States from AA to AA plus from AAA, citing fiscal deterioration over the next 3 years and repeated down the wire debt ceiling negotiations that threaten the government's ability to pay its bills. Basically, they're saying, hey, all you assholes in the government, stop fucking around with the debt ceiling. Fitch had first flagged the possibility of a downgrade in May, then maintained that position in June after the debt ceiling crisis was resolved, saying it intended to finalize the review in the third quarter of this year. With the downgrade, it becomes the second major rating agency after Standard & Poor's S&P to strip the United States of its AAA rating. Fitch came in 2 months after Democratic President Joe Biden and the Republican-controlled House of Representatives reached a debt ceiling agreement that lifted the government's $31.4 trillion borrowing limit, ending months of political brinksmanship. Here we go. In Fitch's view, There has been a steady deterioration in the standards of governance over the last 20 years. I mean, you can't really disagree with that, including fiscal and debt matters, notwithstanding the June bipartisan agreement to suspend the debt limit until January 2025. The U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen disagreed with Fitch's downgrade in a statement that called it arbitrary based on outdated data. Janet's a moron. But let's see. The White House had a similar view, saying it strongly disagrees with this decision. It defies reality to downgrade the United States at a moment when President Biden has delivered the strongest recovery of any major economy in the world. Right, but you're still fucking around. That's not what they're downgrading you for. That's almost like saying, this is the problem with this is the problem with what the White House is doing. Fitch is citing things as to why they're getting downgraded. They're like, because of all this bullshit that you've been doing with the debt ceiling and all this other nonsense that you've been doing. And Biden's over there like, or not Biden, the White House. He's not doing shit. The White House and Janet Yellen are like, oh, but what about the money printing bounce back after COVID? It's like, all right, well, that's not why you're getting downgraded, though. That's not the reason. They're just citing random shit. It's like, you suck because of this, this, and this. And it's like, well, but I'm this. And it's like, well, nobody cares. Reputational dent. Analysts said the move shows the depth of harm caused the United States by repeated rounds of continuous debate over the debt ceiling, which pushed the nation to the brink of default in May. This, honestly, I don't hate this. Like, Fitch is almost coming out and saying, you guys are fucking around so much with the debt limit and like causing all sorts of nonsense because you and your own political bullshit want to get something out of it. We're tired of it. I'm like, I kind of like that. This basically tells you the United States has a spending problem. True. That's from Mizuho. Fitch said repeated political standoffs and last minute resolutions over the debt limit have eroded confidence. Sorry, I'm thinking about charts. In fiscal management. Michael Schulman, CIO at Running Point Capital Advisors, said the U.S. overall will be seen as strong, but I think there's a little chink in our armor. It is a dent against the U.S. reputation and standing. What else did they have? I mean, they had other reasons for it. Hold on, let me see if I can find them because it wasn't. I mean, we can look at what happened last time. That doesn't mean they won't react. Eventually, U.S. stock futures were pointing to a weaker open on Wednesday. Holy shit. Past performance is no guarantee of future results, but look back at history can give us an idea of what might happen. In the midst of a very tense debt ceiling standoff in 2011, S&P downgraded the U.S. debt for the first time in history. The downgrade happened on a Friday afternoon, so investors had a weekend to think about their next move. It didn't help. On the first trading day after the downgrade, the S&P plummeted by 6.5%. That's not good. That's not what you want. I mean, I don't think that's going to happen today, but we'll see. Yeah, dude, it was dirty. Man, that's why I'm saying, like, wait and see. We don't know where this thing is going to go. We don't know. This is something that, like, it's a weird event. Because we had it happen back in 2011, but we didn't have all this money printing. We didn't have all this nonsense happening. It wasn't coming. No, it still was coming into an election year, I think. 2012, 16, 20. Yeah. So it still was. So that's like the only thing that's similar, but this is going to get wild, dude. Honestly, I'm going to be watching a couple of those Bitcoin stocks because if that's going to be the trajectory, that'd be interesting. But we won't know today. Today is not going to be the day that we know where this thing is going to go. So again, quick trades, if you're going to do them, there's going to be a lot of headlines too today. So get ready. There's going to be a lot of interviews on CNBC. There's going to be a lot of all sorts of things happening. People giving opinions. You might see like when the Fed speakers come out again, they're going to say a bunch of stuff that's going to be market moving. Be careful, guys. This is going to be nuts. You doubt it goes down 5% today? I doubt that too, but who knows? So again, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's have to bring the volatility. Yeah, the premiums are going to be fucked up today, I think. So those of you guys that have are trading futures too, it's probably a day to stick with that. That's what my assumption would be, just like based off of what's happened. But market makers are going to try and sell everybody and their mother expensive premiums. As long as Roku dies, you don't care. Well, Roku is probably gonna get clapped. What is it down now? Yeah, Roku down 2.5%. What's Tessie down? Tessie down 2.2. I mean, AMD's still green, which is good. Where's like Facebook? Got 15 minutes until the ding day too. Facebook down 1.39. Like things are down, but they're not down like oh fuck, like oh shit levels yet. We'll see. CNBC convinced me for a minute that Walmart was buying Tiger, not Tiger Global. Wait, Walmart's buying Tiger Global? Why the fuck are they doing that? Tessie recovery soon. Again, guys, today is not a day where we're gonna know exactly where this thing is gonna go. This has been like it's like I don't want to call it like a slap in the face, but it's like a shove. It's like a shove. Like if you're about to get into an altercation and there's the first shove, it's like, all right, what happens next? Everybody's on guard. We're waiting to see what the next move is going to be. And it's like, it's not exactly. It's not such a crazy reaction yet. If you were a covered call guy, today would be the day with your Tesla and Palantir, but I don't play that way. I don't even know if I do that either. Interesting, Hork. Interesting. Yeah, let's see if there's anything. I mean, the news feed is going to be really important today. Dollar rises, 10-year climbs. Yeah, dude, they're not buying bonds right now. They're flying into cash. TLT is tanking. It is. So would this give way to an emergency rate cut? I don't think so, but who knows? Who knows? 3 times the normal price. Oh, is it? Oh, fuck. Yeah, dude. Yeah. We'll see at market open with like SPY and everything else, but I think this is like it's going to be like a Powell day. He's like, this is why you size for zero on swings. Well, yes and no. Remember what we've been talking about with the swings recently is I don't I'm not all that comfortable buying a bunch of calls above 450 on the SPY. So what do? Size it really low, like really small, and then play shorter expirations. Like that's what I'm doing with it. So there's not much exposure out there. So it depends on market conditions, really. Like if the market was like doing this shit, like traffic light and started to go, like, yeah, I'd be fine with taking on more size, but look where the fuck we are. It won't happen in a day, but look at 2011. No, I know. It's not, I don't think it's going to happen in a day, but that's what I'm saying. It's like, be careful. And if premiums are wild today, sit on your fucking hands. If you can trade futures, if you've been following along with the prop firm stuff or you've dipped your toe into futures, I mean, and you know what you're doing. I mean, that's going to be the smarter way to go today. It just is. Like a tick's a point's a point. There's no premium. But yeah, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's get after it today. Also, I think Gabe, I think is going to be out for the rest of the week. So you guys are stuck with me in the mornings. There you go. The VIX is already up 10% pre-market. Yeah. Do you think Tesla has more downside? Can you enter calls today? Have you listened to anything that I've said, Tana? Have you listened to anything that I've said in the last 30 minutes? How we're not going to know what's going to happen today. This thing could keep going. It could bounce back up. It's 50-50. It's like the shove. They're flying to cash right now. Have you not listened? Why are we so relax? You don't have to do anything today. Everybody chill out. This is like a wait and see day. This is like okay, let's see what the fuck they're going to do. Not let's just willy-nilly. It's down. Let's buy it. Like don't listen or you're going to get fucked. Like all those other AMC people that didn't listen to us. You just entered the stream? No. I see you back there. You like the order filled sound in futures? It's fun, isn't it? Order filled. It's my favorite sound. I don't like stop filled. Stop filled, I don't like. Also, you guys like that TikTok I just posted? Bro, I'm having so much fun with the TikToks now. They're so funny. I love them. I think they're hilarious. It's gonna go out on Instagram later, but the TikTok one's really funny. Retail might though. We'll see some serious bounces and dumps. Retail's not gonna push anything around. It's all institutions. Let's see. Love your TikToks. Thanks, Lori. Some people got 48 hours next semester. Give the rest of the week without any chance. Can you guys get another preview in the morning as we be back on? Yes. We'll work on that. If you guys are one of them, we'll make that work for you. Yeah, well, if you guys are again, just keep a note. If you guys are one of those people, we'll get that sorted for you. Lori, my TikToks are fucking funny. Pump or dump it open? Yes. Exactly. Like, come on, guys. It's a 50-50 day. This is a day to wait and see and be very, very, very cautious not to go full risk on. But all right, we got 9 minutes here. Yield curve starting to roll over again. Oh, TLT still knifing. The 10-year is probably still going. And it's up there. Oh, just looking out for others? Yeah. Yeah, the 2s and 10s. No crystal ball today? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Yeah, dude. Yeah, if you guys see that TikTok rolling around, it's funny, bro. Like, it's funny. It's a good one. I'm gonna start doing some more like that. They're really funny. There's one though that I think is like the most hilarious one, but like there's something in it that TikTok doesn't like, and it just goes out and just never gets pushed. I'm like, TikTok, come on, it's not that bad. I'm out of that vapor rub. I had it, I sold it, like I scaled out of it, and as it started to like freak out a little, I ditched the rest of it. Like they were up like 12%, and I was like, it's fucking TLT. I'll take it. And I was like, it's below 100. I'll take it a little. It ran up to almost 100. Then I was like, all right, cool. Yeah, exactly, guys. This is, you have to see. So here's another thing that people don't necessarily realize. Most of the stuff that's come out either from the Fed or anything like that, the market in general has called bullshit. They've said, yeah, fuck off. Like, remember, Powell said 2 more rate hikes, basically. And what is the market saying? The market's saying, fuck you, Powell. Nope. With this right here. They're pricing in 64.1% probability of that rate hike that we just got, like, what, last week being the only one. So we'll see. Good morning, SB. What up, Steve-O? How you doing, team? All right, guys. Oh, my God. We've got over 100 of you guys in here that have not hit the like button yet. You slackers. You freaking slackers. Let's see. Is there anything more on the news feed? I'm looking for it. Oh, here we go. Fitch director says debt ceiling suspension or a very high borrowing limit combined with debt to GDP stabilization could lead to an upgrade. Are they? No, they're not. Oh, now I take back what I said about Fitch. I take it all back that I liked what they were doing. No, fuck them. Bro. How are you going to have, okay, how are you going to have debt ceiling suspension, very high borrowing limit, combined with debt to GDP stabilization? Oh, yeah, it could lead to an upgrade. Yeah, no fucking shit, Sherlock. But how the hell are you going to have a literally no debt ceiling and then expect them to not just spend? Are they stupid? Fitch director says governance deterioration gives less confidence in government's ability to address fiscal debt issues. You literally just contradicted yourself by saying, let's just suspend the debt ceiling and hope for the best with the United States government. Like, how does that make any sense? Seriously. How? Somebody explain that. How does that make sense? They the article that we just read, they basically said everybody was irresponsible for the last 20 years. And then they proceed to say, well, if we just allow them to be more irresponsible, we think that they're not going to be. Are you fucking dumb? Like, come on, Fitch. You're smarter than that. That's crazy. That's nonsense, bro. I'm going to blow not today, but yeah, we'll see. Giving the government unlimited spending would be worse than giving my 16-year-old free range of your credit card? Yeah, it would. Yeah, I take back all the nice things that I just said about Fitch. Fucking idiots. WTI oil erases gains. Right. Like, of course they're gonna spend it. If they go unlimited debt ceiling, like they're just gonna spend it. They're gonna be like Oprah, Ukraine, you get $1 trillion. You get $1 trillion. Like, they're just gonna say fuck it. And then they're gonna mess. And then here's what they'll do. This is literally what they'll do. They will say, all right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna change all these definitions to make it look like debt to GDP is all right with our unlimited spending, and then get upgraded. Are they that stupid? Oh my Lord. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's have a good day today. Remember, make sure you guys are all getting your free month to trade1348.com. I don't know what the fuck you're doing not in there yet. Seriously, bro. It's honestly like funny at this point that some of you guys are like, oh, I don't know. There's an interview out on my channel right now. There's two. There's one where one of our members turned 8,000 into $1 million. Then another one, we have a 19-year-old kid making like $100,000 in 13 days. The choice is yours. Let's see. This administration already smells like drunken sailors. They all do. They all do. And then comes digital currency. Well, they already have it. They're already doing the CBDC bullshit. All right, guys, we got 3 minutes here. This is going to be a really interesting first couple of candles, guys. This is going to be a very, very interesting market open. I like the way our politicians spend $3 trillion on the Inflation Reduction Act. Fucking idiots. Absolute dum-dums, bro. Wait, hold on, T-Sir. I don't know if that's what they're spending it on. Yeah, genius. Fucking brilliant. All right, let's see. AMD finally got its little knife. Tessie screwing around. Everything's not looking good. We can watch yields in the dollar today. But let's see. This is going to be one of the most interesting market opens I think we've ever seen. Like, come on, bro. All right, let's see. All right, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see. AMD screwing around. Tessie screwing around. I honestly don't want to touch it. Like, first 30 minutes of the day is going to be nasty. I mean, maybe we'll catch a couple of somethings, but all right. Watch me to spin this off like it's the best thing since sliced bread. They're not. You don't want to trade today? I don't. This is probably going to be a day where we just sit back and relax. scalp a little, but like premiums, the first thing that we need to look at in 2 seconds here is premiums. Let's see how premiums are. That's what we need to look for. How are premiums? SPY. Let's just look at SPY quick. 0 day. How are they at that open? Man, they're not that bad. The premiums on SPY aren't that bad. All right, let's see what we get, man. They're pretty inflated. I haven't really seen all that. Like, I don't see them being that bad. Like, if you look at the 0 day SPYs, they're under $1. Like, that's not that bad. Where's the 10-year shooting? Where's the dollar? Dollar holding on. Where's TLT? It's holding right now. Where's Tessie, AMD, Shark, Nancy Shark? What's this doing? Shark. What about let's check the Bitcoin stocks. Mara 1650 could be an interesting level. Where's Riot? Yeah, I don't see anything looking to the upside here. SPY slipping a little. You do have a little level from the pre-market. You just broke it. Yeah, the premiums really aren't that bad, man. Where's Palantir? Eh. You got a tiny sell trade on? I mean, it's working for you. Like, we do have this level right here. Here it comes. 451.74. Watch that. Where's the SPX premium? Because I want to look at that too. I bet the... Oh, hold on. Facebook news. Let's see what this does. The SPX premiums aren't that bad either. Facebook introducing AudioCraft, a generative AI tool for audio and music. That's kind of cool. Tessie holding here. Okay. So it's a little slow to start. Google shooting? Google moving a little there. Hello. What's this look like on the daily? It's not setting up, but let's see what we get here. That's interesting with Google here. Okay. I mean, you have upside to that 200 there. Let's see. Like, you could do something like this, like on Google. You could just say, all right, retest here, stop below right here, up to the 200, or even this level right here. SPY, Sharkin. Riot popped. Where's Mara? That's interesting. Pop, lock, and drop there with the market, but that's interesting. Google's trying to do a little something here. Like, it's holding with this market tank. Holy crypto mine. They're volatile as shit. So hold on. Where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin's moving down. The miners are looking very interessante. Let's see. %30 on SPY puts. Nice. Oh, yeah, it's knifing, dude. This is coming down. Where's Google? Google slipping. All right, cool. All right, so you're cruising down to these levels here. Down about 1% so far, 0.9. Let's see. All right. Where's Master Stream today? No. Gabe's off for the rest of the week. Let's see. All right, guys, keep slapping that like on the way in. Let's run these numbers up, get some more people in here, and let's get after it, man. There comes Mara again. This is what I mean, when I sent this message to you guys in Market Talk last night, I'm looking at these like with a close attention, because what did we see Bitcoin do last night when fucking the market tanked? It was just ripping. So Google's chilling right around 130. Carvana, big bounce, got the traffic light. Hold on. Yeah, dude. I mean, wow, that thing's holding too. Yeah, so all the swings from the swing list this week absolutely printed at one point or another. Mara 17. It's got to take out these highs in order for it to get going. SPY doesn't look like it wants to do anything. It's just all straight selling. Nancy got killed. AMD getting killed. Is Tessie holding? Tessie's trying to hold. What's MicroStrategy doing? It's probably the same. Did they have earnings this week? They're trying to bounce back up too. What's the high? It's like, what is this? Hold on. 1706. You're about to hit it here. Then you've got 1720. Because this is what was happening on the Bitcoin move. This is when the market was getting killed. Look. See? Market was dying here. Bitcoin stocks were going. So keep an eye on them. Palantir trying to get over the 200. Yeah, I think I saw that. Because remember, I still have those free contracts. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, there you go. I mean, what are those free calls at? Let me look. 119%. Those are still cruising. Yeah, Palantir moving a little there. So that's fine. I mean, these are free. I'm just letting these go. How to access thigh gap? You go to the master charts, the invite, or you go to indicators, invite only scripts, and you can download the chart and you're good to go. Palantir moving up there. Mara, new high. All right. Hold on. AI spreads aren't cute. No. SPY, little movement back up there. Mara going. All right. Let's see. 127% on the Palantirs. What are bonds doing? I'll tell you. The 3-minute, the yields are just kind of chopping around up here. So when yields go up, it means they're selling bonds. When yields come down, it means they're buying bonds. In general. So Mara came right to that high. Yeah, coins up. The Bitcoins, yeah. Just watch them. Pay attention. That's the one thing that I saw yesterday that I was like, oh, fuck, that's really interesting. So Mara's screwing around. Where's Google? Google was showing some strength. Yeah, it got sharked. Let's see what we get here. That's interesting on the SPY. All right. Let's see what it wants to do. All right. AMC. Fuck AMC. It's a piece of garbage, bro. What's AMC doing? Oh, look, it's at 483. Congrats for not listening to me. Like, come on, bro. We're really doing this today. Mullen, I top ticked it. There you go. It's at 1242. Really? Come on now. What else are we looking at? TLT, where's this beast? Okay, here comes SPY a little. You can get mad at me all you want, but I told you. Some of you guys just failed to listen. It's okay. You'll learn eventually. Mara cruising. Let's see. Yeah, Mara shooting there. There we go. All right, let's see if the market wants to get a little bouncy bounce. There. Told ya. Told ya. Told ya. Palantir shark? Did it? How big? That's a shark, yeah. All right, let's see what we get here. Let's see if Mara's got the juice. SPY moving. Yeah, SPY's coming back up. Again, you thigh gapped it right here. You got more than a swing high, swing low to $1. What is this? 350, 350 down to, oh yeah, dude. That thigh gap strategy printed for you. There you go. All right. Oops, shit. I did not want to do that. That was a oopsie. All right, whatever. That was fun. All right. I scalped ES for a little bit. That was really good. That's another good one. Peter Schiff says the bond market's going to collapse and banking problems return. We'll see. Palantir screwing around. Mara screwing around. A lot of things screwing around. But that's an interesting move there on the SPY back up. Oh, interesting. Not trading today, just came in to give your like. Yeah, good call. I mean, again, this is going to be such a wild day. You can't. So now that we've seen what the premiums are going to be like, you can. It's just going to be wild chop nonsense everywhere. So just be careful of it. Like you're chopping right now. Like you tried to get this move up and it just got sharked. So they're about to take this ES trade off my hands here. I think. I don't know. I mean, they can let it run if they want to. Maybe not. All right, let's see. You think SPY goes up now? Well, you've already caught the move from down low. Oh, that might have gotten it there. Nope. I'm still in it. Let's see. It's like a tick away, it looks like. Come on, just take it. Take it or rip it. You're just hanging out right under this 13 here. You tried to get above and it couldn't do it. Where's Tessie? Tessie. Nice traffic light here. There you go, up to the 200. All right, they took that on ES. That's fine. That was still giant. When Zern signs it's the catalyst or AMC MOAS algorithm on a loop, look at micros and macros. I'd rather watch like I'd rather do literally anything else. AMC is dead, bro. It's so dead. After Ape, I told you. It's not the catalyst. You don't understand what it is. Like, I might make a video about this just so that you guys know and you're not listening to absolute fucking morons that think they know. They're literally going to just dilute the fuck out of you is what they're going to do. Being a monthly member, do you wait for the 3-minute traffic light on SPY to the upside, or has the move been made? The thigh gap reversal one has been made, but like you could just wait for it to continue. This is a big move, though. The ranges today are going to be big, guys. That's the thing. So today's going to be a size down. Like, look, this doesn't look that big, but the low here is 452.35. The high is $1. Like, this is making dollar moves like it's nothing. Because you know. Yeah, I do. Because I told you that, one, Ape is a complete pile of garbage the day that it came out and everything was going to tank. And then it did. And my whole entire time making AMC videos was basically disproving bullshit theories like the one that you just said. So, yes, I do know. And that's okay. You can continue losing money. It's fine. But I'm not going to deal with your shit today. We have more important things to do. Let's see. AMD looks a little interesting here. Let's see if it can hold these lows. Yeah, Tesla was ripping there. Tesla up to that 200. Watch out now. If you caught that traffic light, remember, nobody went broke taking profits. All right. Mara's still chilling at the highs here. Let's see if this is going to continue pushing. Palantir, I think, bounced a little. Yeah. Oh, guys, we are almost at 150 likes already. Thank you. Thank you. Keep smacking that on the way in. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. All right. No, Master. No. Be on the lookout for an announcement. Gabe's taking a little family time. Let's see here, though. SPY moving interestingly, though. How much would a 447 SPY call pay if they hit your new to options? It depends. 447? I'm assuming you mean 457. 447, you'd be buying in the money calls. So just based on the math, you'd be getting dollar for dollar about. So for every dollar move, you'd make about $100 in in your options contract, depending on how many contracts that you have. But if there were 457s, you can do some calculations on it, but there's really no exact way to know. I probably wouldn't be buying 457 calls right now, though. $4 higher. That's a bit aggressive. Mara, new highs. There we go. Usually a master. Nice to stream with you again, STV. K Robinson, welcome back, buddy. Let's see, guys. Yeah, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's have a good day. Yeah, I mean, I've nailed Mara. So just kind of waiting to see how this thing wants to play out. Bitcoin may run if Mara's running. Well, Mara's usually going to run if Bitcoin's running, which it isn't. Or not that I've seen. Tried to bounce there a little. It's basically moving with the SPY. How far out do you suggest SPY contracts? 2 or 3 days out? It depends. It depends. It depends on what you're looking for. Danger. Those are some really good questions. All of those are covered in our learning curriculum videos. It's a lot to explain to you right now. Just because like there's so many different elements of trading. Like it always depends. Are you swinging? Are you day trading? Are you trading the 1 minute, the 3 minute? But that's why we give you guys all a month free on trade1348.com so that you can go through, watch all those learning curriculum videos and have those answers to those questions. Because like I'm not gonna be able to explain to you the in-depths of trading in one like 2-hour live stream. So here you go. Just use code GAINS right there, GAINZ, and you get access to everything. All the best education, the best community, the best tools, free for a month. So that's going to explain everything to you. You can watch some of the trading videos that myself or Gabe has posted on YouTube as well. But most of it's all in that curriculum. This is interesting here on the SPY. They're slowly trying to chop this thing down after that move up. You bought 447 puts, so wish you luck. Guys, why are we just randomly willy-nilly buying things? Yeah, AMD sharked off of that. Wow. Look at this. You have a level down in here at about 113 on AMD. Let's see if this thing just keeps getting knife. Mara sharking. SPY trying to hold. Don't trade with luck. Trade the chart. Exactly. And that's what we teach you guys how to do. Thank you. I'll have to revisit those. Awesome, Danger. Yeah, hop in. Man. And that goes for all of you guys, too. You guys all get a free month. All right. AMD just getting mollywopped here. Okay. Cool. Yeah, this I don't really like here. I wanted to make a clear move in one direction and then see where this thing wants to go. You knew a few people with AMD calls last night. Well, those people are gamblers. I don't understand why you just buy AMD calls willy-nilly into their earnings. But that's retail for you. All right, let's see. Look at this on the daily on Lent. Dude, it is what's this? Hold on. It's like 124.80. Yeah, you're getting there, man. You're getting to that break of this little range that you've set. 1 minute traffic light down on ES. Yeah, but this is chopping around. So what you're looking at right here is it tried to make that move up. You've tried to get above this 13 a few times. Now it's just rimming. It needs to pick its direction, which it hasn't done yet. This is chop. Mara back up a little. Tessie still hanging out right at that 3 minute 200. AMD. Yeah, you saw the credit rating got downgraded and saw the last time the SPY fell 7%. So you played 1% down puts because I need to go to work. Well, I mean, if it's 1% of your account, I don't really, that's not the worst thing in the world. Or like one, but at the same time, it's like, that's not trading. That's saying, ooh, I think this, which is never how you should be operating. Your thoughts and opinions in the market when you're trading actually matter zero. The chart is telling you where things need to go. And that's what we teach you guys how to do every single day. Listen to what the chart is telling you, not what you're thinking. It's you have to listen to the chart. UPST Tank City. Is it getting slaughtered? Yeah, that's getting hit. Mara losing 17 here. Let me grab my water really quick. Give me 2 seconds. I'm thirsty. Well said. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. All right. This is interesting right here. It's just like I see what they're trying to do with it. Like I see you. I know what you're doing. Market. Gambling is fun though. Are you in the market to have fun? Or are you in the market to make money? Simple as that. It's a very simple question. Are you in the market to have fun? Or are you in the market to make money? If you're in the market to have fun, cool, great. Go gamble your money. You're gonna lose though. If you're in the market to make money though, or did I say if you just want to have fun, just go gamble, you're gonna lose all your money. If you're in the market to make money, you found the right place. You're in the market for ankles? Okay, well, that's not okay. Better odds with gambling at blackjack? There probably is. That's an interesting move. That's an interesting move there. That got eaten. Let's see if we can get above that 13. Mara bounced off 17 hard there. Where's Palantir? No, not really doing a lot. It's just can't. It's really struggling at this 3-minute 13. Mara trying. Let's see if we can get to 1750, dude. That would be here it comes. Here she goes. Cool. Yeah, there's the break. Oh, hold on. What do we got here? Yield surge after treasury boosts auction sizes more than expected. Sees debt insurance tsunami on deck. Okay. So you made another attempt above that 13 there. Couldn't do it. Mara trying to move. Let's see. Tesla broke the 200. Wow, dude. Tessie's showing some fucking strength. There you go. Yeah, that 3-minute traffic light on, or 5-minute traffic light there. Let's see what it looks like on the 3. Oh, yeah, that 3-minute one was a little bit iffy. You could take the retest of that 200, though. AMD still getting killed. You had this level down here at about 113. Roku? I only use the 3-minute? No, I use the 3, the 1, the 5. I use everything. Daily, 4-hour. I use everything. I just usually have things on the 3-minute just for thigh gap. This is just chop city here right now, man. All right, let's see. Where's Google? Because Google wanted to show some trend. Google. Another traffic light here on Google. That could get interesting. Neo broke the 5-minute 200. Okay. Whoa, Neo on a moon mission here. Yeah, really good delivery numbers. Again, if you guys saw that video in the videos that I've been posting recently, which you should be. I mean, we nailed the Palantir move. We nailed the Neo move. Yeah, make sure you guys have notifications turned on for the channel so you guys don't miss those. They're epic, dude. That was 2 over 100% trades on Palantir. The Neo was nasty. It was like a 44% move to the high. Neo going here, though, a little. Spy Shark. Mara Shark. What was the other one that we were looking at? Google. Okay. Neo calls 1 month out up nicely today. Yeah, nice. Google back above 130. That's interesting. Let's see if we can get this move up here to the 200. It tried here. He sold off a little. Now it's starting to make another attempt. All right. You do have this level right here on AMD at around 113.20. Mara lost 17. Google, here it goes. There she goes. The Palantir calls are the free ones are still up over 100%. That's nice. Let's see. Spy doing its best here, but dude, this is just Chop City. I don't really like much of this. It's just chopping around. The Tessie move was nice. The Google traffic light looks pretty good here. It tried to break these highs. Let's see. What's the height of this? 130.31. There it goes. Google breaking high. Really trying here. The height of this candle is 130.31. It just came up, tapped the high. So watch. There it is. Let's see if it breaks. 32. There's a new high. This is terrible price action. It is. Your Neo calls for November are still up 150%. Good work. Good work. Got something in my eye. Like, look at this on the 1 minute, dude. It's just like chop, 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 chop. This is not tradable price action. This one was good. This is the one that I hit on ES. Levels on AMD, 130. What is it? Oh, you lost it here. Now you've got down in here at 112.56. See, it like looks like it wants to break up, but like at the same time, it's a bit nasty here. Let's see if this gets killed. I saw you called SDC yesterday. No. I didn't call it yesterday. I was looking at it on Sunday. SDC was a stock. I was talking to Gabe about it, and I was like, I mean, I'm not gonna alert it because it's I don't want anybody fucking around with penny stocks like that. But it was one that was on my radar. I didn't trade it though. I don't like penny stocks, so I wasn't going anywhere near it. But it was one that I was watching. Where's TLT going? Google ripping. There we go. Not to a fun place. SPY up, right down. Mara back above 17. Is Google going? Yeah, Google's making that attempt up to that 200 on the 3. There you go. Here we go. Oh, things are really sharking around here. This market is ripping faces. Are you insane? Are you all right? It's not actually. It's not. Although it's just not doing that. Let's see. Tessie shark? Yeah, a little Tessie shark there, down to the 13 on the 3. Google still pushing, bro. Google doesn't give a fuck. Did they already have earnings? Or do they have earnings coming up? Oh no, they already had earnings. Let's see. Ooh, Sharky Shark. Google shot everything sharked on that with the SPY. Tiny positions and 1-minute scalps. Plays has been fun and profitable so far this morning. Yeah, I mean, that's what the name of the game is today. Mara looks interesting. Yeah, let's keep an eye on Google here. Where's AMD? Here, dude, AMD coming to that 112.50 that we talked about. It's got 3 points on ES on that little downside move. Nice. Might be one and done day. Price action been sideways. Yeah. Yeah. So the ES level that you're looking at right here is now what? It's like 4,558.50, and you just broke it. Let's see. Oops, hold on. Bro, AI is getting mollywopped. Everything is here. Whoa, big shark. Is there a level? Not yet. All right, let's see what we got here. Google lost it. AMD's going for that 4-hour 200. What is that? 111.80. Oh, fuck. Look at this 4-hour chart on AMD. Whee! Rug pull. Like, that's aggressive, bro. Let's see. Your Weeble alerts aren't alerting. Mine are. I don't know what's going on with your Weeble. That's interesting. SPY cooking again to the downside. Mare again slapped. Let's see if this wants to knife more. You got about a minute 30 on this candle. New low. They might cruise it down to here. 451.74. Just be careful. Thigh gap after that move. Well, yeah, it would fit the criteria. If it wasn't like, if it goes down and then rockets, no. If it slowly did it, yeah. Thanks for the Google note. No problem. I mean, it's sharked. It's just so close to the low. 455.225 on ES is low. It's at 455.6. Palantir drop. How bad? Shark City. Palantir. Let's see. You got a couple seconds left on a new candle. Okay. 19% on the port. SPY and AMD. Yes, I was a bad boy, but you're out. Atta boy, Drew. Good work. Good work, buddy. Yeah, guys. Again, keep smacking that like on the way in. We are about 13 likes away. Thank you, team. I appreciate it. And remember, everybody gets their first month free on trade1348.com. I don't know what you're doing, not in there yet. You might have something a little bit off in the brain, especially after seeing those interviews that I posted for you guys. A 19-year-old member making over 100,000 in like 13 days. You've seen the success of all the people in masterclass. It's up to you at this point whether or not you want to take trading seriously. Get all the education that you need, the best tools. This is interesting right here on the SPY. It's trying to fight a little, but it's not looking great. So many angles. AMD still go. AMD one. Wow, knifed right through. Holy, no buyers anywhere on this thing. So. What's this look like on the 3-minute? Look at that. It's had one green 3-minute candle. There's going to be nothing on the 5-minute. I don't think. It's just straight red, bro. Straight red on AMD. Oh, my God. Look at this thing go. SPY sharked off that. Let's see. AMD drilling? Yeah, and? Like, you think I care? AMD is knifing. So I'll just wait for it. Just wait for it to show signs that it wants to come back up. You wouldn't chase it here. It's down fucking 5.6%. That's crazy. Fang in shambles. It is. Hit Google for 12%. Thank you, STV. Good shit, Logan. NVIDIA hype dying. What? It's one red day. It is a big red day, but like, come on. It's also credit downgrade day. We haven't seen this since 2011. Let's see. You thought AMD had decent earnings? They did. They did. But it's also credit downgrade day where all tech is going to get slapped. Let's see. What happened in 2011? In 2011, the day that this happened, or the day after this happened, it was a negative 6.5% red day on the SPY. So, I mean, you're down about 1% right now. What goes down must come up at some point, but doesn't mean that it has to right now. Let's see. Was downgraded. It caused the market to bleed. Yeah, it caused it to get absolutely slaughtered. Here comes SPY coming down to that level, 451.74. Let's check Twitter, see what's going on. Treasury yields rising. American Air in talks with Airbus, Boeing on a 100 jet purchase. That's interesting. Whoa, there it goes. There it really goes. That's huge. That's huge. Let's see. Let's see here. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Cool. Tesla back down again. Yep. Tessie Sharkin, 3-minute traffic light right here. So you broke this level and bounced. All right, let's see. Is there anything coming in across the board? No, I don't see any more in the news feed. How was gold not popping off? Dollars. It's the dollars ripping. Well, huh? Oh no, yeah, the dollar would have to be coming down for that to go. AMD pop. Okay. The dollar. Well, they're flying into the dollar. Like you can see, watch, dollar's still pushing. What's the 10-year doing? If the 10-year is still ripping, which it just was, they're flying to cash. They're not flying to bonds like these people were saying they are. They're just not. Let's see what we got. All right. Let's see. All right, cool. SPY, little pop. Little pop, Mara. Coming down to that 1650. Japan yield curve control doesn't affect longer-term U.S. yields. I don't think there's been an update on it. I saw them. It was like emergency bond purchases. That's the only thing I saw. The RSI on Disney's 25. What time frame? Oh, it's 24.57 on the. Well, it did hit what? Fucking 14. Like, AMD's trying. Let's see if we can get this move back up to the 13 here. The 5-minute. That's pretty epic. That it's that much. Tessie. You got 11 seconds on these 3-minute candles. Small port up 13%, large port up 17%. You can be done till the afternoon now. Fuck yeah, Wreck-It Ralph. AMD coming back down. SPY sold into a little bit there. Ooh, AMD. Uh-oh. Here comes SPY. Not touching that AMD knife. It's fucking risky, bro. Look at where it is. 4-hour. 10. Where's the 111.79 is the 4-hour 200. That's such a big move, bro. Where's the daily two? It's 97. There goes SPY. Here she comes a little. Confluence starting to pop in on the 3. Okay. Ooh, 7 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Appreciate it. Ooh. AMD pop candle there. That's an interesting one. Couldn't hold. SPY tried, couldn't get it. All right. Yeah, AMD's kind of flying around here. The move back to the 13, though, would be fucking huge. It's at 113.07. And it just kind of, so here's what it did. You look at this on the 4-hour, it just kind of came and tapped it. Like 111.79 is that level here. So you look at this, it's right there. If you can get back above the 4-hour 200, maybe you might have some uppy. There it is right there. Did that? No. SPY's, it's making an attempt here. Let's see if this can get back up. So the problem with this thigh gap move is you see how large this candle is. The risk, if you're going a day low, it doesn't make any sense. So you wouldn't have taken that one. Tell him to bring out the traffic lights. No, you fucking didn't. There's a 1348 DJ Khaled account now. I'm going to lose my mind. We are going to have so much fun with that. Tell him to bring out the percentages. Sorry. I'm not really sorry, though, am I? All right, market. Let's see if we want to make a little bit of a rally back up. AMD doing its worst here, trying to get back up. Killing these puts today. Good shit. All right. SPY's trying. Let's see. That makes sense. Yeah, exactly. We'll talk about it a little bit more in the masterclass today, I think. Here comes SPY. Interesting. It's really trying to break here. If it can, that could get interesting up to the 13 or the 10 or something around there. AMD trying to get back above 112. Okay. SPY moving. AMD doing its best. Mara trying to move back up. Okay. They didn't believe in us. 1348 did. Whoever's account that is, that's fucking awesome. I love that. That's funny. VIX, market up or down? Market is down right now, pal. Market's down. That doesn't mean you do anything with it. It means you sit back, wait, relax, and make all AMD popping. Okay. Another 2 points on ES. Yeah, I hit that for what? 54, 552 for 5 points. AMD cruising back up. Mara trying to crack 17 here. It did for a. Oh no, it didn't. It's still trying to get back above 17. Disney made the nice little thigh gap move there too. Look at this. Boom. Whoop. There you go. Nancy shot up there. AMD still going a little. All right, let's see. Combat Master? I don't know what that is. There's a shark. All right, guys, give me 2 seconds. I got to run to the bathroom very quickly. Make sure that you guys are hitting that like button. We are 4 away from 150, and all of you guys get your first month free on trade1348.com to get the best education possible at taking advantage of this money, all this money to be made in the market here. So, team, use code GAINZ, GAINZ, and you guys are good to go. So I'll be back in 2 seconds. It's not going to take very long. Oh, yeah. Oh, and all you masterclass guys, if you guys still aren't in masterclass yet, make sure you head over to the subscriptions area or reach out to Diana and she'll help you get in there with us. But give me 2 seconds. Hello. Good afternoon. How we doing? I'm still in this ES trade. That's funny. All right, let's see. Mara screwing around. AMD still holding 112. That's interesting. Let's see. SPY slipping. Let's see what they do with this. So it literally just came right back to the 13, rejected, right back down. AMD, Mara. Tessie still sub 260. That's interesting. IWM showing some stability. Is it though? Is it though? Oh yeah, a little bit. It's holding that 13 there. Inspire right back up, dude. This is this is what I was saying about today. This is gonna be chop craziness. Be careful, guys. All right, here comes AMD trying to push up to that 13 there. You really do have to break this 13 on the SPY though to get going. When buying to open, you guys setting market orders a limit? Always limit. Thoughts on Palantir might be going up by Friday. Palantir has already been up so much, like it does, and it has earnings next week. If you like Palantir and you're a long-term investor, watch the videos that I posted for you guys because that is going to help you out the most. Look what this stock has done since last earnings. It is up what 200%. Look, earnings, boom. To even right now, 142%. It's ripped. I've had 2 nasty trades on this stock here. The other one is free now. I can just let that thing go. Like, it's impossible for me to lose money on it because the trade is all free. So by Friday in 2 days going up, that's not really helpful to anybody. What are you going to take a YOLO swing for 2 days? That doesn't make any sense. What you want to do is, one, you have to decide, okay, do I like this company over the long term? If that's your answer, then you're looking towards earnings next week. If you just want to trade it, well, then why are you looking for it by Friday? That's just your YOLOing. You would look at this thing on the shorter time frames and try to day trade it. Dude, look at how fucking wild this is. AMD is flying around. Yeah, always limit. Don't be market ordering in. That's going to hurt you. I market order out a lot, but that's just because it's stop orders. That's why that happens. It stops in profit, so it is a market order. Let's see here. AMD flying around again. With time to get in. It's right before earnings. That's kind of crazy. You took a market order today because it was moving fast. You got the worst fill ever. Right. So you chased and you got punished for it. Learn your lesson. Don't be chasing that stuff. Whoa. Dude, this is moving like crazy. If you want, we haven't seen a candle close really above the 13 EMA on the 3-minute at all today. That would be a good sign of a little reversal, but you got to be careful that it bait and switches. So if that's going to happen, Mara's trying to push 17 here. That's interesting. AMD still holding 112. Nancy holding that 13. Palantir trying to recapture 19. NASDAQ and Dow are both down. Yeah. Yeah, we got our credit rating downgraded for the first time since 2011. That makes sense. All right, let's see what we got here. Tesla looking good. Tesla, if you get that candle close above the 3-minute 200 there, it doesn't look bad. Maris trying to break it here. You tapped it for a second. Where's AMD? It's fucking around. On the new charts with Thigh Gap, etc., do you need to upgrade to Premium? Pro Plus is what you need for all the master charts. But yeah, you would have to upgrade to get all the indicators on there. Slowly paper traded, aiming for the 0.5% a day. Nice. Yeah, this thing is just whipping around. These wicks are wild. When to expect a credit upgrade? Not for a while. They're not going to downgrade and then upgrade like next week. Like that makes no sense. It takes a lot for them to come in and say, yeah, we're downgrading. It's going to take, I would say, at least a year. It may even be more because you have to think about it like this. What did they cite for the reasons why we would go back up? Well, debt ceiling stuff. So unless they emergency randomly just like go no limit on debt, they just remove it all, like, then it's just going to continue to be at this level. I think Moody's still has it at like the equivalent of AAA, I think. So you still could get another one. Starbucks running? I believe they had earnings too. Yeah, Starbucks looking good. Wow, Starbucks showing some strength today, dude. Let's see. AMD flashing around. Mara still trying to get back above 17. SPY, this is just bullshit. It's just whipping this 13 and getting killed. SPY sniffing that pre-market low again. It is. Bro, Starbucks is just going. What the fuck is up with this? Oh, they had earnings, but like that's downtrend reverse that fucking quick. Jesus. Damn, Starbies. Bless up, egg whites, turkey bacon, hash brown, water, and perhaps what is this? They don't want you to enjoy it. Thanks, bud. Appreciate it. Call me asparagus. I call it chandelier. All right, Mara's still trying. Starbucks had earnings, but it wasn't all that good. Right, but like, why are they just flying into Starbucks? Like, it's the only. Let's look at the heat map. I want to see what the heat map's doing. I haven't looked at it today. Ralph, healthcare. Merck up about 2. J&J was green. I don't know what it is now. J&J still green. Starbucks up nicely. Is Caterpillar still up? Caterpillar still up, dude. They don't give a shit. What's this? TT Train Technologies is up 4%. Well, that's a lot. AFL, what's that? Financials. AIG Insurance is up. Energy in general's down. Tech is hammered. Didn't AIG get just blasted in 08 though? Isn't that the one? Pretty sure that's the AIG we're talking about here. AMD attempting again. Same deal with Mara. SPY is sniffing that low too, Ralph. Well, it did break it. So now you have that new low at 455075. AMD, here we go. Coca-Cola and Starbucks up. I smell conspiracy. Jesus. AIG still down 90% or more from its all-time high. Is it really? UNH is, yeah, UNH was red, I believe. Yeah, from what I saw on the heat map, it's barely red. But what is it now? Yeah, it's flat. Like UNH is not doing much. Oh, Ralph. Oh, Ralph. Where's this? 530. Okay. 510. 67. Okay. What's the height of this on the daily? What's the 4-hour look like on UNH? Oh, this motherfucker wants it. We're gonna go 510. We're gonna set that alert for. Here comes Mara. Yeah, Ralph. The healthcare rotation could get interesting. Trying to set this fucking alert and it's just like flying around. Come on, one more. There, nope. Right there. Nope. Right. Come on. There it is. Boom. Mara's attempting. AMD doing its thing. Let's see. 4 for 4, calling it a day. For real, this time price action make your brain bleed. There you go. Yeah, you seen what I just saw, I bet. Yeah, I did. I like that. I got a price alert on it. We'll see what happens. Master today? Yeah, it's 3 o'clock. So we'll be doing that at 3. That 48 bounce on the 4-hour looks healthy on UNH. Yeah, I mean, I could. I mean, it's just like higher lows, just getting tight. Hasn't been moving all that much. You got upside to 515. Daily looks interesting. 516. I just bet the premiums are just absolutely epic on it. Like terrible. They're actually not bad. AMD shark. Everything just sharked there. There goes SPY new low. Let's see. Here it comes again. AMD holding well with this, though. Look, it's still trying to hold. Okay. End phase hit 52-week low today. Ralph, do you still have those end phase puts? Those are pretty good. AMD lost it a little, but nothing too crazy. Mara still trying to hold, bounce off the 3-minute 200. And perhaps, what is this? Yeah, healthcare looks interesting here. What's a can we get like a healthcare sector? Is there like a healthcare, hold on, like a ticker? Hold on. We're gonna use the chat here. Is there like a ticker to look at the healthcare sector? What would that be? Is it oh, I know it. It's not LABU, is it? That's biotech. That's not healthcare. That's also a 3 times levered nonsense thing. All right, chat. I'm gonna need your help with this one. XLV. Thank you. Gracias. Yeah, it looks all right. It looks kind of shitty though. It broke down. XBI. Thanks. What's XBI? Yeah, I went through biotech. I would look at just pure healthcare with it. AMD lost 112. That's not what you want to see. It's by knifing. Yeah, XLV more healthcare. Where's UNH right now? Because it's up. That's the interesting thing. It's green. What else do we have? Like healthcare is interesting right here. So hold on. That's the only thing that I see is like overwhelming diagnostics. That's healthcare diagnostics. That's still healthcare. Consumer defensive, beverages, household. I need the ETS for them. Restaurants. McDonald's, MCD. McDonald's looks good. So this is what we got to look for here now. It's rotation. So where's the money going? So remember how we were talking before, how like, oh, the money was flying out of the market into cash? It is, but there's still going to be some money going into other spots in the market too, which it looks like is healthcare. Like as a whole right now, it looks like healthcare rotation. CVS is up over 3%. Oh, AMD shark. Big boy shark on AMD there. SPY, big knife. And healthcare holding. Look at this. McDonald's holding. UNH holding right for now. Let's see. AMD got mollywopped. Got me to XLV a long time ago. Shares only. It's an interesting hedge here. Kava's holding too. But isn't Kava like the fucking restaurant? Or am I just an idiot? Yeah, restaurants. Yeah, dude, this is really interesting. Kava's holding because McDonald's was. Yum was also one. I believe that's the China one. Yum's up 1%. And the market as a whole is just getting mollywopped. Yeah, Yum is green too. I was looking at that on the heat map. That's really it. Just healthcare and restaurants. Portfolio up 18%, fourth double digit green day in a row. Thanks, STV. Done for the day. Fuck yeah, guys. There you go. Flight to food. That's what it looks like. Mara knifed again. Nearly minus 2% on the NASDAQ. Yeah, tech is getting hit the most. These aren't exact numbers. They're delayed because it's FinViz. We got Microsoft down a bunch, Nvidia down a bunch, AMD getting killed, Adobe down, AMAT down, Clack down, Enphase Solar's getting like absolutely killed. I don't know what CDW is, but that's up nicely. That's kind of the outlier there. AV go down, Qualcomm down, Palo Alto down. Everything's getting killed here. Which stock lifts NASDAQ? Any tech stock. Like Apple, Nvidia, AMD, all those. Or just look at like the NASDAQ 100. UNH trying to peak here. UPST down 8. You just want Chipotle to go away? You people are jacking the price of avocados. UNH little slippage here. Let's see. Look at this move, bro. Down 1.2% on the S&P right now. That's huge, dude. That's huge. Starbucks is up too. Restaurants have been doing well. So like anything like Starbucks, McDonald's, Yum, all of those are still green, I believe. Tessie holding all right though. Spy, not so much. So. Yeah, Ralph, that's not a bad idea. UNH little action. They just had decent earnings too, I believe. Where was it? Yeah, they had decent earnings, just been consolidating after. I do not hate UNH here. AMD right back up, trying to get back to 112. Okay, let's see what we got. Have a good day, STV and everyone. I'm done for the day. There you go, Logan. There you guys go. Yeah, make sure you guys are hitting that like button and getting your first month free. I mean, I don't know what you're doing at this point. Let's see. Now 12.8% on the port for the day and walking away. Thank you. Spy drop 1348. There you go. Chipotle still 1,000. Yeah, I know. That makes sense. AMD's got to get above its 13, and the SPY has to not do this for anything to come back. The SPY has to not just like just commit the S word. Like, here's the most funny thing about this: we're still above fucking 450. That's crazy. It's still above. Like, that's kind of nuts that we're still all the way up here. Several day drop. It could be. GRNC freebie up 1100%. Good shit. Is market up now? Hold on. I gotta ask a serious question. Simple, complicated. Like, I'm gonna like this is not. Are you visually impaired? Like, I'm not. Like, I'm just like asking because I don't want to be an asshole. Are you visually impaired? Nobody laughed. This is not like the one I did last time where I was like trying to call that dude an idiot because he was. This is a legit question. Because like I don't know why that question's being asked right now. The market's down 1.2%. It has not come back up at all. It's just gone lower and lower and lower. What's QQQ? It's the NASDAQ ETF. Nice, Ralph. There you go. Is it over? Not yet. Not yet. All right, let's see. AMD new lows. Up 9% and done for the day. 1348 for the win, man. That's how it be. Let's see. Mary honestly still holding all right here. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Here it comes again. Here it comes again. Look at this. They're just letting this thing die. It's just getting killed today, which is fine. I mean, this is what the news is telling everybody. Maybe watch 450 for a bounce. This is getting dirty. UNH a little pop. Tesla's ready to break. If Tesla loses it here, loses this level and starts knifing, this market is going to go into the shadow realm. Spy said, "Wee!" Our small caps, RTY. Let's look. It's doing the same shit, dude. It's doing the same shit. Look at UNH, dude. Look at these fucking healthcare stocks. They just don't care. They literally just don't care. Look, UNH right back up. Poured up 4% for the day at a Boyd T, sir. All right. Just riding your SQQQ and SPXS free puts. Sold your IWM puts quick in and out when it broke 195. Good work, bro. AMD getting killed. This is bad, dude. This is very bad. Now you're cruising to that 450 level. Free fall day today. Invictus made only one call today so far. That would have been, dude, yeah. Yeah. It's not gonna, like, what? It's everything's already getting slaughtered. Here comes UNH again. This fucking thing. Look at this. It just doesn't care. Ape is green. It's literally a, like, I don't even consider that a real stock. It's a fucking, like, dilution vehicle. That's what it is. Carvana's whole, it's a joke. I know it's a joke. Is Carvana really still holding? Yeah, I mean, it's down a little, but like that one's holding there. How is Carvana not bankrupt yet? I don't know, bro. It's a piece of garbage too. Like that thing sucks too. Like it's not like I'm not gonna sit here like Carvana's on the, it was on the swing list. You're welcome. But like it is a piece of shit company. Mara slip into 1650 here. Salesforce cut more jobs. That's interesting. CRM. Tilray's green. UNH 506. That's interesting. Watch healthcare. The swing list for next week literally might have a shitload of healthcare companies on there. Tesla sharked. Not really. It did a little, but AMD sub 110. Jesus. How much money did my long term go down off of this AMD drop today? Let's see. That's a lot. That's some dollars there. Can you tell Gabe we wish him well? I will. I will. Let's see. Oh shit! It is 11:01. That's gonna wrap it up for me today, folks. So again, make sure that you guys are taking advantage of your free month to trade1348.com. I don't know what you guys are doing without being in there. It must suck just not knowing what to do in the market at any given time. And not having that education behind your trades. But team, there you go. That's our gift to you. What do you call it? Use code GAINS, GAINZ, to hop in there for your first month free. And all you people that still need to hop into masterclass, we will be doing the midweek masterclass today at 3 p.m. So get ready for that one. But yeah, either reach out to Diana or hop into your subscriptions area, and it's super simple to hop in there with us. So team, that's going to wrap it up for me today. I will see you later. I'll probably have a video for you guys later too. Peace.